Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Zed here from Zed Views YouTube channel. Welcome to my Video Gorilla review. Now, I am here inside of the access area of Video Gorilla, and during this video, I am going to give you a full demo of what exactly this is. Okay, what is inside of here, and basically, in a nutshell, Video Gorilla is a software program that has been put together by Maghfoor Amin. Okay, so Video Gorilla is an instant video asset and template for any marketing purpose that created and can be edited using nothing but only PowerPoint. So with the help of PowerPoint, you can edit video here and use hundred of templates that has been given here for free. Okay. So when you start creating video using Video Gorilla templates, it can help you create video 60% faster and will save your budget up to 90%. Then if you create video, basically here you will create video from scratches. Okay. So this is the sales page, and all you need is just PowerPoint that already may be installed on your computer. That's all. No more plugins, no more add-ons. Okay, no another complicated software needed. Okay, so in this video review, I'm going to be showing you how this works, and make sure you stay to the end of this review. Yes, I am also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and bonuses, so you will know exactly what you are getting into if you decide to purchase. Okay, if you're new to my channel, my name is Zed. Okay, I do this review every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming softwares, programs, and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Video Gorilla, just go ahead and click that link below. And also please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. So before we jumped into this, showing you the before we jumped into this here, and I want to show you my bonus page because there is ton of bonuses right over here. Okay, so when you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which is going to look like this. Okay, these are all custom made. I have created this, and you're not gonna get it anywhere else. It's okay, so I'm including this completely free of charge when you pick this up by my link. So all these bonuses have been created by myself and they are all exclusive to me. They are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. Okay, so with that said, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people offer in terms of bonuses for Video Gorilla, this software. Okay, because remember, you can always pick this up by my link and get the best bonus available on this. So in this bonus page, I have written few things about Video Gorilla, what it is. Okay, and I have also mentioned the bonuses that the vendor is bonusing offering. Actually, these are the bonus that I'll talk about in a minute. So these are the bonus the vendor is offering you. So 9 bonus here and I guess 12 bonus here. So okay, so all these bonuses plus I have made custom bonuses like this. Number one bonus tutorial, how to make $100 a day from your laptop with free traffic, how to get free traffic into your website or your YouTube. So this guide is going to help you with that. Okay, so bonus number two is access over 500 royalty free background music tracks. So we have always been facing music issues, right? Copyright issues when we use some music. So I am giving you 500 royalty free background musics. Okay, so with this it's gonna help you. And this bonus number three is a special bonus tutorial where you will learn about all the vendor bonuses. Okay, so this is my bonus page. It looks like this and there are see tons of bonuses over here. What you have to do, you just have to simply buy Video Gorilla through the link given below, and then you have to check your download area. All these things will be there. Okay, so all these bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside the members area after you purchase through my link, and you'll automatically get hold of it. Okay, so now let's look at the sales page here. Okay, together. Okay, so uh, a Video Gorilla is not just an ordinary video template, right? But it's a pro looking animated video with massive set of templates and that you can use for any purpose such as product promotion, brand awareness, business profiles, okay, etc. Unique animation video you are going to get here that will significantly get your customers attention. and convert into sales. Basically, the goal of making videos is to attract customers so that we can make sales, right? So this software is going to help you with that. Okay, so here you will get classy quality templates, huge variation of templates. Okay, 100% editable. You can edit it anyway. Okay, easy to use and customize, very easy to use and customize, and work smart out of the box. So this is the demo video.
Is the future of
We
marketing.
will see this.
And no doubt, did you know that 85% of people are more likely to buy a product online after watching a video? And according to a research, over 80% of marketers agree that video is the future of marketing. And no doubt, video is the future of marketing. But here's the thing, everyone else knows video is the future of marketing as well. That means the competition on the video market is huge. It's time to upgrade your video quality. But how to create eye-catching, high-converting, and pro-level videos if you don't have enough time, skill, and creativity in mind? Well, here's the easiest and fastest way to create attractive marketing videos without needing video software or design skill. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get your video marketing done by a professional. You don't need any more trouble to learn complicated video software. You don't need to wait for weeks to get your videos done by a pro designer. No fuss, no wasting time, no headache. You can simply create your own amazing video marketing using our brand new Video Lava, a world-class easy-to-use video templates. Video Lava is our brand new complete pack of ready-to-go videos and marketing graphic templates, perfectly to promote your business, products, or brand in online space. A mega pack of video and marketing graphic templates that's specially designed for any marketing purpose. Everything done for you, easy to edit and ready to use. The best part is, even this product containing video and graphic design templates. But to work with these templates, you don't need any video or graphics editor software such as Photoshop, After Effects, Camtasia, etc. No, you don't need any of that complicated and expensive software. All you need is just PowerPoint. Yeah, PowerPoint now become not just about presentation slides creator anymore. It can be turned into killer animation video creator if you have the right templates. And using Video Lava's template, it can help you create video 60% faster and can save your budget up to 85% than if you create video from scratch. It's really huge time and money saver for you. No more hiring expensive video creator to get video marketing done for you, and no more stressful using complicated video software. With just a small budget, Video Lava's templates will help you to wow your target audiences better than before. Act now. Get Video Lava today and take your video marketing to another level.
Okay, so such a great video was that. So it has shown you everything that you will get inside this, but let's check this sales page a little bit more. So what you have to do, how do you going to make video? Okay, everything is done for you and ready to use in 4 steps. Okay, pick up the best template you want, choose the template. Number 2, you can mix and match the animation from other templates also. If you want that something you want to mix or match from other template, you can also do that. Third is edit the text, image, video. You have to edit your name, your content, your image, okay, over there, and then you have to export. That's the 3 thing, basically 4 thing you have to do, and your video will be ready. Okay, so here you're gonna get huge variety of dynamic style animated videos, elements in this single package. Okay, no more hustle, no more headaches. Like, okay, so see, I'll show you what are the things that you're gonna get it here. Okay, so here you're gonna get ecom video ads, explainer videos, story videos, title animations, lower third videos, teaser videos, okay, audio back sounds, logo animation, okay, typography animation. All things are you're gonna get inside this one single package. Okay, so now everyone are now able to make are now able to create their own sophisticated video, even 60% faster than before. It is the claim of this software owner. Okay, so it is a complete pack of premium video templates from this video series. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna get is 15 energetic teaser videos. These are the templates that you can use. Okay, let's play this one. Did you see that? How great the video was, how clean, how elegant, how cool that was. Okay, it could be yours. What you have to do, you just have to edit the text here and it could be all yours. So I have been using this software also. The intro video of my video has been made using these templates only. Okay, so if I'm saying this, if I'm recommending this, I have personally used it. Therefore, it is one of the good video. It is one of the best template that I found online. So number two is Gorilla Box number 2, which is 15 explainer promo videos. Explainer videos where something like this. Okay, let's play this one. Wow, another amazing video. That was so elegant, right? It was so clear, it was so professional. So these professional video templates are amazing. Okay, so I highly recommend you to go check this page out because I'm not be able to show you all the videos over here. There are tons of video, tons of template, tons of examples. So you can go on your own and check all of these. And so that was explainer video. Now you will get 15 ecom story video ads. See these kind of templates where you can use your pictures. Gorilla Box number 4, 15 ecom product video ads. Product video ads, which is one of the most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing or any kind of online marketing. Okay, so let's play one from here. It was so elegant, right? It was so clear, it was so professional. Gorilla Box number 5, you will get dynamic logo opener revealers. Okay, this kind of logos you will get that you can edit on your own and make it yours. Okay, 35 box number 6, you will get 35 simple modern lower thirds. These kind of videos. 57 attractive shape scenes transaction. All right, 53 energetic animated typographical videos. These templates you will get over here. Okay, 25 futuristic callout pointer animations. Pointer animation where you see video pointing at something and renaming it. Box number 10, 35 modern style title animations. Box number 11, 35 attractive unique shape effect elements. Okay, so see, I highly recommend you to go to this page, visit this page, and check all these things on your own, because there are so many demos of all the templates you're gonna get here. So it is not possible to play all the demos here in this review video, because it's gonna make this video longer. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it short and simple. These are all templates, these graphics, okay, and templates that are very elegant, very clean, very simple, and looks very professional. Okay, so in this mega pack of video and marketing graphic templates, it's specially designed for any marketing purpose. Okay, all done for you, easy to edit and ready to use. Okay, and the best part is that even this product containing video and graphic design templates do not work with these templates and do not need any video or graphic software such as Photoshop, After Effects, and so many others are there. Now you don't need any of that complicated software. You just need PowerPoint for using it, and these templates are all done for you. You just have to add little things. You have to edit your names, you have to add your photos, and that all I think you have to do. Okay, so I guess this deal is for limited period of time. I highly suggest you to go and check this out. Okay, these are the things you will get. This is the sales page. Okay, what you will get here, I have already mentioned the things that you will get here. Okay, it is one time payment, no subscription. You just have to pay once and you can use it till whenever till it for lifetime. Okay, so this is one time payment and you can use it for lifetime. One more thing is there, every 3 or 4 months they give upgrades, so you will be able to get those also. Okay, so the price you can see here, it may increase, okay, because this is for the limited period of time, and apart from that, this bonus page, okay, it's not going to be here forever. So I highly suggest you to take advantage of this offer and um, get get hand on these softwares that is going to help you create your videos, and it will look very professional, very clean, very elegant. Okay, so disclaimer is here, support assistance, 30-day money back guarantee is also here, so you don't have to worry about anything. Like whenever, if you're not satisfied with the product, if you're not finding it means if there is maybe any reason and you want to have the money back, so you can contact the vendor and you will get all the money back without any question being asked. Okay, all right, so this is it. I highly recommend you to go and check this sales page on your own and then make decision whether you want to have it or not. But Video Gorilla is not just an ordinary video template, I would say. Okay, it's a very unique thing. It's a big bundle of ready to go and complete set of kinetic and dynamic styles, animated templates. You can apply to any kind of video. Okay, be it video marketing or you have any kind of thing, you can make it, and the videos will look so much fun and simpler than before. Okay, so no fuss, no complexity, no headaches. You just have to mix and match and done. You have get your video ready. So okay, so as I told you, I'll also show you the bonus the vendor is offering you. So the vendor especially, he is offering you so many bonuses. Okay, apart from you have seen over there, so this is the bonus page and I'll show you the bonuses the vendor is offering you. So the bonus number 1 is smart video sale letter, bonus number 2 is smart video sale letter version 2. So these are the exclusive bonus that you will get here. 50 promotional explainer videos. Okay, YouTube channel cover, premium stock photos, event branding and promotions, banners and all those things. Then logos, video channel logo brands, online coupon for designs, You can use it for advertisements also. Exclusive video squeeze pages. Okay, so these are the bonuses. I guess 9 bonuses they are giving you. Apart from those 9 bonuses, they are also giving you platinum bonus, which is a good means gesture of the vendor to offer so many bonuses at just one package. So the premium bonus number one or the platinum bonus number one is ecom product YouTube ads. These are all templates. Okay, so you can use this on your and make these videos your own. Okay, promotional explainer videos you will also get here. Okay, platinum bonus number 3 is micro video profit starter, YouTube video marketing. All the software, all these programs, you're gonna get it for free. Okay, so 9 9 10. See, businessman characters, these templates you can use in your animation videos. Okay, web and social media banners. Okay, presentation folders, card name cards. Okay, these are templates, and these are all you can get it by just it is written over here. You have to buy this Video Gorilla through button below, and boom, you can check your download area. All these bonuses are going to be there, and you can access all of these. Okay, you don't have to worry about this because you will also get a license of using these videos since you are paying for it. So you will get a license. There will not be any copyright issues. This is going to be exclusively yours. No one can access these. Okay, once you buy this product. So I hope I may have given you some idea about what this product is all about. Okay, thank you so much for checking out this review today. If you want to take a look at Video Gorilla, go ahead and click the link below, and don't forget to check out all my bonuses. It's not going to be there for longer period of time. It is limited offer, limited time offer. Okay, remember these are all yours 100% free of charge when you pick this up by my link. Okay, so that basically brings me to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my Video Gorilla review, and I'll speak to you in the next one. All the best, take care, bye.